So how long does it take to become profitable as a trader, and what are some of the biggest roadblocks along the way? So I'm headed back from the Keys here, stuck in traffic going slow, so there's not a ton of road noise, so perfect time to record a video. I thought I'd just speak to this really quickly. It's something people ask me all the time, whether they're just joining the Discord, they just subbed, they just followed me, they just started trading yesterday, they just bought the course, right? And they think at the end of the course, hey, I'll be a profitable trader right away. Not necessarily, okay? First and foremost, the biggest roadblock you have to get through as a trader to profitability is just your psychology, right? So I could teach you the things of what not to do, okay? But it's kind of like telling a little kid not to put their hand on the stove, right? So you'll come talk to me and I'll say, hey, don't put your hand on the stove, put the knives in the drawer, you know, cut away from yourself. And 100% of kids are gonna put their hand on the stove. They're gonna slice their finger at least once growing up, right? There are just some dumb mistakes that nearly everybody's gonna make, even though you were told not to do it. Now the question is, and the challenge is, how long does it take for you to figure that out, right? How many times do you keep making the same dumb mistakes? What I see, and I'll tell you where I sit, you know, running a Discord community, is that a lot of people do the same things over and over again. They come with multi-paragraph excuses about why, you know, either stuff happening in their life or whatever, which I empathize with and I get. But at the end of the day, guys, the difference between you and a successful trader is those people have the same crap going on in their lives. They're just dealing with it. And it's a hard pill to swallow for most people. But I'm telling you, like, I read these multi-paragraphs about, you know, my house burned down or my dog died or whatever. And like, I get it. Like my dog, you know, rest her little doggy soul, Sandy, you know, she passed away, I don't know, maybe a year ago. And it sucks. It does suck. You know, I dealt with my mom having breast cancer. I've dealt with major injuries. Like, life happens and it sucks. But if you're gonna trade while that's happening, okay, if you're gonna wake up and despite all that crap happening and go, I'm gonna trade today, then don't come to me with those excuses. Either stop trading, take a break, or do things the right way. Okay, so that's the first thing, psychology. Can you actually be regimented enough to do the things that it requires? Can you be extremely self-accountable, right? I believe in extreme accountability, which is essentially everything in my life is my fault, okay? It doesn't matter if somebody else did something to me, I should have thought ahead and avoided them, right? It doesn't mean that other people aren't doing things that suck in life. It just means that you are always in the driver's seat and you're the only person who's ever gonna be in the driver's seat of your life. So when it comes to trader psychology, managing your risk, things like that, that's the first hurdle. If you overcome that hurdle and you learn, you know, my system or any system or whatever, it's probably going to take you 18 months to be profitable, right? And that's because you need to learn a few things. You need to learn what the charts look like on the lower time frames. You need to test those on the lower time frames, right? You're going to need at least 90 days of data, right? So if you're journaling, you're going to need a good amount of data. Now look at this traffic, guys. It just doesn't end. You're gonna need at least 90 days of data. If you're brand new, you should be sim trading. You shouldn't be risking your own money anyways. Okay, so there's a lot of time that you need to invest as a trader, just learning the game. Imagine going into space, an astronaut going into space with no training. That's what a lot of you guys wanna do, is you wanna jump right in. But if you're an astronaut trying to go into space with no training, you might actually just die, okay? And that's what happens. So check out the link down below. I have a free journal. I've had it. A couple thousand people have downloaded it actually, which is pretty crazy. Check out my free journal. You can use Notion, okay? You can use TradeZella, you can use TradeSync. There are all these tools that will track your performance. You can't improve what you don't measure, especially if you want to perform at a super high level. The second thing is you need to have edge. So it does not matter how good your psychology is, though it's really important, right? Psychology will keep you alive. It'll also help you manage your risk appropriately. So psychology and risk management go hand in hand together. Without good psychology, you absolutely will just become a shitty gambler and you'll just keep doing the same dumb thing over and over, hoping that, you know, the market, you'll basically treat the market like a slot machine and, you know, you might as well go to the casino. But if you want to make money, you need to be able to come up with a thesis or a trade hypothesis, test it over and over again, and then you'll arrive with some edge. Now, lucky for you, I have a system that I share and talk about that you can use. Okay, I talk about it for free in all my videos. You can buy the course. Thank you if you do. That's probably the shortest way to learn it. But you need a system with actual edge. Okay, otherwise, even if you're an amazing psychology, you essentially might as well just flip a quarter every day. flip a quarter, go long or go short, depending on if it's head or tails. And that's your outcome. So you need edge. Even if your system is only, you win 51% of the time, over thousands of trades, you're technically making infinite money. Okay, that's just how math works. Okay, you literally only need to be profitable, assuming, you know, your risk parameters are the same in every single trade. You only need to win barely over half of your trades, 51%, right? Including commissions and all that. You cover your commissions and all that, you'll make money. And then better systems, you know, you'll approach, especially if you're trading the higher time frames, you'll approach like 60, 70% win rates. I've had weeks where I was 100% green on the week, no losses. Those are rare, but you'll have periods like that where you're crushing it. But then you're also gonna have periods where, you know, I've had multi-day streaks where I'm just red on the day, right? Or you just have outsized losses because some crap happened. Okay, and you have to, as a new trader, you need to go through all of those separate waves individually before you can become profitable. And it's gonna take you about 18 months. The average person, I think, it's gonna take you 3 years. So if you watch this entire video, like, all right, it's gonna take me 18 months. I think really good traders, look at like Lance and like other traders that I've just read about, it takes years to become profitable. And then once you're profitable, there's still other levels to this game, guys, right? Making a couple $1,000 a month, and then now you wanna lever up and you wanna make tens of thousands, or you wanna try and make 100,000, or you wanna make hundreds of thousands. That's a whole different game because you've never dabbled with that much money. So you're basically back to square one. Okay, so it's cool to level up. It's cool to have some, you know, some level of success. It's cool to buy stuff, get a course, my course, anybody else's course. It's gonna take time. There is no shortcut for the time and the consistency that it takes. So keep that in mind. I'm gonna end this video because I'm driving out and I don't want to crash and die. But subscribe, like my video. See you in the next one, and join my Discord. There's a link below, watt.com/tradeedge. Best place in the freaking internet if you want to trade for real. Peace.